Hello, today we have a Logitech M525 and we're going to disassemble this and we're going to wash it. There are two screws under these pads. We're going to have to heat them up, and once they're heated up we can then take them off, hopefully, in a way that we can put them back in. But as usual, you should probably get new pads before you disassemble your mouse. That way you can put new pads in and you know that you'll be able to use it properly. Sometimes you don't get the pads off nicely. Also, since YouTube has disabled dislikes, which is kind of important for these tutorials, please comment if this was helpful and please use the like thing. I don't really want to ask for this, but it is how it is. Be careful with these are easy to move too much, at which point they will snap. This is just friction fit. Yeah, the bottom part can be washed. Now, since there's no electronics here and just the metal contacts, we can wash this as is, but this needs to be dried immediately, otherwise these springs will rust. So dry them once you have washed them and don't leave them to be wet and it'll be okay. Because otherwise we're going to have to remove all of these. Don't know how easy that will be, we can try. And you'll see if you want to do that. Let's see if we can do this. Yeah, these ones can be removed, but these ones are going to be tricky. So in this case, since it's not really going to hurt us in any way, I'm going to wash this as is and then just immediately dry it and make sure that it is dry. That way these things won't rust. Then we have the scroll wheel, and the scroll wheel has this thing and then it has a compression spring. Don't lose these. If you wash this before taking that bit out, you will lose it. Let's see how easy this is to open. Yeah, not too easy. Probably will be okay by washing this like so, but just like with the springs for the battery contacts, this thing needs to be dried immediately so that the moisture doesn't rust the spring here and the other parts, because I doubt that they're made out of stainless stuff. Washing's done. Now we just rinse this and we can put it back together. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.